Hello, this is page 49 in Beats Cuisine Cookbook. It's the Cook Along series, and we're going to, it's a beetroot, green bean, and tofu salad. And can you believe I forgot to put the green beans in the recipe? So I'm just going to show you how to cut the green beans. We're going to take the top off and then cut them on an angle like that. Take the top off, cut them on an angle like that. And then we're going to steam them. So I've already cut them up already. So you'll do that and then steam them, and we'll steam them lightly just for a few minutes. And I already got the rest of the ingredients ready. It took 40 minutes to do the beetroot. So I cut them up into 16 pieces each beetroot. There was 3 beetroots, and then bake them in olive oil in the oven. And there's the rocket from the garden already. Bake them in the olive oil in the oven for 40 minutes and they were cooked. So I put the beetroot on first because then the beetroot won't colour everything. So we'll just, whoa, I've got hair in my face. Okay, so that's the beetroot. And then the tofu, I decided, even though the recipe says to slice the tofu, I cut it in cubes and I put in, and this wasn't in the recipe in the book, but it will be in the notes below. And if you haven't got the book, you can buy it in the link below. And I cubed the tofu, and I put 2 tablespoons of nutritional yeast, olive oil, and a teaspoon of salt. So we'll just put that in. Could go a bit quicker, couldn't I? But anyway, so lots of protein because tofu is a complete protein. So that's that. And then the beans will be done in another minute. And in the recipe book, it says to use slithered almonds, but I don't. We've got lots of macadamias growing locally. So I've got organic macadamias, just chopping them up a little bit. This is packed with complete protein. Just chop those. They're sliding around because they're round. So we'll put them on in a minute, and the beans should be ready now. We only want them lightly steamed. And we'll just pop the beans on. Look at that colour. Yummy, yummy salad. So it's a warm salad. Okay, so that's the beans. And then we'll just put these on top. And then you'll serve it with a tahini sauce. So I'll put the link below for the tahini sauce. And that's your salad. Hello, wonderful cook. I hope you enjoyed that recipe. I would love it if you wrote a comment. I love receiving comments and I'll always reply. Also, please like and subscribe. And if you look below, there's a link to sign up for my free iron rich ebook and weekly recipes. Thank you. Have a wonderful day.